Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, August 29th, 2001, 10 a.m. You see how this dive into yourself is refreshing. It brings you back to a more right interpretation of the events marking your life. We can never tell this enough to you. Do not get involved too much in all your terrestrial tribulations. Only the minimum required, not more. It is not worth it. Terrestrial tribulations meaning pain or sufferings on earth. Nothing lasts, everything disappears with time. Joys and sorrows become one and the same and melt into the fabric of time. Only a thread of light can give it its greatest value. Strive to get around the stones on the road. When they inevitably stand in your way, be in acceptance. Your attitude will help you find the best solution to the problem. Your trials are within the limits of your resilience. Your moral strength is an invaluable help in these circumstances, and your surrender reduces the burden. Make sure you keep the heart of a child loving and trusting. It is not always easy to face up to things with philosophy. What will remain of your life, of this incarnation? Will it meet its the objective set in advance? Take stock of your life very objectively. Be lucid. It is never too late to change your behaviors and your way of thinking. The way to perfection is opening up before you. May you proceed on it with confidence. Babuji Maharaj. Thursday, August 30th, 2001, 8 a.m. My son has lost his enthusiasm. All our love and our encouragements are not enough to restore in him the strength he needs to face his heavy load. For him, this year has been sorrowful. He was not spared the strokes of faith. Some of our aspirants have exercised considerable imagination with the intention of harming his person in a diabolical way. His stature attracts this kind of force. It is the eternal struggle between good and evil. Slanders leave scars on the minds. They have devastating effects. Let us pity these beings, easy praise to dark forces who do not realize that they commit evil. Beware of judging in all circumstances. It is not up to you to do so. You do not have the whole picture for that. The only criticism the divine laws authorize you to make relate to yourself. You have enough to do with your own tendencies. A lifetime will not be enough for that. So, for pity's sake, pray for your brothers, so that mankind can rise towards perfection and you all can advance together towards the light. Babuji Maharaj.